Or, object-oriented programming. What is object-oriented programming? In object-oriented programming we use objects. The code is designed around objects, rather than actions. Object can be anything, a picture, a game character, like this zombie. In JavaScript objects can be variables too. But objects can contain more values. An object describes what it is and what it can do. The properties tell us what they are. For example, zombie's name, or color. Let's create an object with the name, zombie, which describes his name and his color. The name George and the color green are properties of the object zombie. Notice every property must be contained inside brackets and separated with a comma. Var. Our object name, zombie, equals to, open brackets, the first property, zombie name, George, comma, for separating the two properties. The second property, zombie color, green, close brackets. Let's ask zombie's name in JavaScript. Write our object name, which is also a variable. Place a dot. And write the first property, which is the name of the zombie. JavaScript finds the value of the property and gives us the name, George. Let's talk now about actions. Actions can be a character's move, like walk or run. We write actions, also called functions, writing first the object name and then the action. For example, walk. Do you want to tell our zombie to walk? Object, zombie, dot. We choose action, walk. Don't be confused about all of this. Later we will learn and understand more about objects, and object-oriented programming.